Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rainer. I just want to talk a little bit about Jordan's course. I first came by his course in his YouTube channel, where I was kind of following him, and then after that I decided to join the course, and I can tell you that his course is amazing. So far I've purchased the affiliate course, and I purchased the advanced masterclass, and man, it just has completely changed my life. I'm about to leave my 9 to 5 now, making a full-time income. Highly recommend it. Through his videos, he explains everything in detail. What has to be done? How can you make money? It's just he's the original. He was the first one to make this, the creator of this, and highly recommend it. If you watch the course, you go through it, I highly recommend you purchase it. Jordan's course, man, is the best.